Ah, yes, kids. We are gathered here on a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rainy day. See, these people love you to think that rain is scary. Why? Rain is how the flowers grow, my children. Rain is how the flowers bloom. That's what the fuel is. Know what I'm saying? Stick with me. I'll teach you how to be hip. Bring it back, man. Come to you today. Wow, that's delicious. To give you a new way to look at the world, a new way to think about creating income, creating change, you know? So there's a couple ways to look at this world, you know, with all this stuff happening in the economy, etc. You can look at everything as always being your fault, you know? Alright, you can choose to look at yourself as the product of an environment that was out of your control. What do you do if you're the only sane person in an insane room? And everyone agrees on one thing, the insane one is you. Yeah. That right there, my friends, is what they call points of view, but I have to care for you. Confidence, my children. Confidence, you know? Stick with me, kids. I'll teach you how to be hip. Oh, I already used that one. Let's flip. Why not cool? Why settle for mediocrity, my friends and my children? Given free choice. Being elegant is far more interesting. But it's every man's choice what prison he chooses to keep. Reality of his own choosing, or one where he keeps losing. And this, my friend, is what they call delusional. uh-uh. Oh. I reframe this to inspirational. But we are the new generation of the uptown cool. The uptown gangsters who nobody can take for fool. The rebels with a cause, not waiting for some distant future. The reality is that our parents fought for us, battles won. But there are two ways to look at life. One can choose to look at my example as a man out of work at 35. But I choose to think I retired at 35 from the corporate world. Lifetime of nothing but triumphs. Story to be proud of. Stick with me, kids. I'll show you it's hip to be what?